Thanks, Noah. And I don't want to, it's after 5 and I don't want to hold anybody, but just to wrap up the day, I mean, I think for me, and I hope this is true of the rest of the team as well, it is really fun to sort of, take a step back. We are all heads down working so hard all the time, and it's nice to take a step back and see the progress that we actually have made over the last year. We titled this session From Planning to Execution, and I think especially this last couple of hours of the day, it's been really great to see the actual execution that really is happening. There was a while there where Jake kept saying, "Oh, it's getting real," but like we are well past that now, and actually executing things. And so I think it's really sort of great to see that transition happening. I think I hope that the LSSWs, as I said earlier, are really important to us. It's really great to get the input from the community, and we have been doing these sort of outreach sessions once a year, whatever, to make sure that this is really a conversation and it's not just us taking in data, but that we are giving the data back as well, and getting everybody updated on our progress. And so I hope that you got something out of that today. And we will continue to keep doing this and trying to keep the community updated. Because as I said earlier, that Artemis is not a thing that NASA is doing. It is a thing that we are doing together as a community, and we really need all of your voices in order to make it successful. So with that, I want to thank all of our speakers. I want to thank all of our moderators and our slide flippers today. I especially want to thank Ricky. You do an amazing job, Ricky, and we couldn't do this without you. And I want to thank everybody who showed up today and put in the time to listen to us. So with that, I think we will end the session and everybody have a good day and a good Memorial Day weekend.